Hello, this is a recording for Tuesday, March 3rd. Today's practice is titled Smoke. It is designed to clear the funk of unpleasant feelings. Take a comfortable position and take a few nice, easy breaths in and out. Now take a long breath in and slowly exhale for even longer than you exhale. Inhale slowly, deeply, at your pace. And when you exhale, let out any unpleasant feelings, like dark smoke leaving you, dispersing, disappearing. Hold the breath out, seeing how the air around you clears. And when you are ready, take a deep breath in again of this clear air. Do everything at your pace. When you're ready, exhale unpleasant feelings, like dark smoke, dispersing, disappearing away from you. Hold the breath out. See the air clear. Take a deep cleansing breath in and exhale any remaining unpleasantness as smoke. Hold after you exhale, seeing the clear air around you. Continue this way for a while. I'll be silent. So you take a cleansing breath in and you exhale unpleasantness like smoke, seeing it cleared, free of all the unpleasant energy. And repeat. Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this practice. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day. Tomorrow is Wednesday with Lorna's breathing practice, and I will see you on Thursday.